Hi team, expert in psychological first aid and certified youth coach training is going to start on 29th March, that is today at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. The training link is already shared in the WhatsApp group, and we have also shared the link in your personal window. This training program is brought to you by Emocare. Now, Emocare is registered with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. That is, it is on par with the companies like TCS or Cognizant. It is not just registered with MSME. We have also registered ourselves with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Further, the training program is approved by SDA Canada, that is Skill Development Council Canada, and CTAA of United Kingdom. Our training programs are fully structured and we will be giving you the best training on international standards. Now team, the training program will happen for 7 days from today. The training program will happen from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. daily. The link for the training will be shared in the WhatsApp group, and as far as possible, we will try to share it in your personal window also. As far as the training and certification is concerned, I would like to share with you some important aspects which I would like you to know. Now, as far as the syllabus of the training program is concerned, it is available in the www.emocare.co.in. The link already we have shared it in the group. Okay. Now, when you go to the syllabus, you may be able to find day-wise what is that we are going to cover. Every day we will be sharing the Zoom link and also the YouTube the link, because the Zoom can accommodate 100 people. So if there are more than 100 people, you can attend it through YouTube also. Even if you attend it through YouTube, you will get certificate. So to get the certification, there are 2 requirements. What are the 2 requirements? The first requirement is, we want that you have to attend the training program on a daily basis. So to know whether you have attended the training or not, we will confirm through the keywords. That is, what we will do is, there are 2 keywords which we will tell every day. That 2 keywords you have to submit to us for getting the certificate. That is number 1. So every day during the training program, at any point of time, I will be giving the 2 keywords. So when you are submitting the keywords, that means you have attended the training program. So you can, even if you have attended through YouTube, you will know the keyword and you can share it to us. So that is number 1 requirement. The second requirement is related to the link. The Zoom link will be shared in a link. Okay. So the link will be like this. How to open the link and what is to be done, now I will tell you. So we will be sharing you all the links in a Word file. Okay. So the Word file will have one link. When you touch that link, when you click that link, you will get a page like this. So the link will contain an article on whatever we are going to discuss on that day. That will be available. And also, it will tell you how many hours is for the training program. And also, it will tell you, it will give you these 2 things. So when you touch this, you will be able to join the training program directly. So you might have got the Zoom link in for other training in a different way. We are doing the advanced one because we wanted to give you the synopsis of what is that we are going to cover on the day through the article. So for example, today, the first day, we are going to cover all these things. That is, I'm going to talk about introduction to psychological first aid, and also I may be telling you what is counseling, and also the various definitions of counseling as per American Council of Counseling Association, etc. And also I may be telling you the difference, what are the different aspects in counseling field, that is psychologist, and what is the difference between psychologist, clinical psychologist, and psychiatrist, that I'll be telling. I'll be explaining you, and also I may be explaining about what is psychotherapy. Now, all these aspects I'm going to discuss today, that I would have given it as an article prior itself. That is, all the 7 days, whatever we are going to discuss, that we will be sharing today itself in a Word file. Inside the Word file, you will be having the link. Okay, so whenever you get time, you can just go through that. Now, every day, what is that you have to do is, you have to come to the last page here. Okay, so here you have leave a reply and message. Okay, now what I want you to do is, the first one is the keywords which you have to submit. Second, open this, come here, write your name and location, and message here what is that you have learned. That is, you can just say 2 or 3 lines. You can say what is that you have learned. Okay, hope it is understood. So team, there are only 2 requirements for getting the certificate. One is, you have to touch this link and you have to go inside and you have to go to the comments and write what is that you have learned on that day. That is number 1. And the next requirement is, daily 2 keywords we will be giving. The 2 keywords, write it in a book and submit after the 7 days to the number which we are going to give. That's all. Okay, team, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are going to talk many things about psychology. Every day we are posting many videos on psychology, self-development, etc. So subscribe to the channel now itself, so that if the Zoom is full, you will be able to get the notification immediately from YouTube as and when we start the training program. So today I will meet you at 7 o'clock, and please stay in the group. In the group, you will be your group may be managed, or you will be getting messages from Fatma, she is a psychologist, and Preeti, she is a psychologist of Emocare, and Priya, she is a psychologist of Emocare, Reshma, senior psychologist, Emocare, and Jayapriya, a psychologist, Emocare, and Kenny, psychologist, Emocare. These all are the people, they will be in touch with you, including Tabasam from Kashmir. So team, let us start the wonderful journey today. Okay, don't forget to subscribe.